Today I'm going to unbox the Tangem Ring. They've sent me one for review and I'm very excited about it, so let's go. Alright, let's have a look. It's a small box. Obviously it came with a plastic seal, but I've removed that seal because I've actually already checked this ring out. Now look at this. This looks great. It's very shiny actually. It's unmarked basically on the outside, so you can't tell it's from a hardware manufacturer. The only way you can tell is that on the inside there's a small Tangem logo. Now in this box comes 2 cards as well. The reason for that is because you can use these 2 cards, so these 2, my friends, as a backup. So when you lose the ring, you still have access to that wallet. Now it's got a get started card. I already know how that works. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you how to set up this ring using the Tangem app. Now for that you need the Tangem app wallet, and it's on the iOS or the Play Store. I already have it, so I'm just going to open it. If you don't have it, just click there, install, and you can install it and then you can open it. Then opening the wallet, you will have several things to do to set up your wallet. I already set up a wallet before because I'm using it as well. So now I'm just going to use my fingerprint to unlock the device. And then we can go up to the settings up here and then we can click add a new wallet. If this is your second or third wallet, for instance, or you have multiple wallets that you want to add. If not, you'll have to go back to the first step and then create a new wallet or import a wallet. Just follow the steps. It's very easy, straightforward as well. And then your wallet will be created. Now, let's add this ring to my already existing wallet. I'm going to click add a new wallet. Now I need to tap to scan. What you can't do is keep the ring on and then move it under your phone or to the NFC. You have to actually take it off. There's a special reason for that. The reason for that is that it only gets recognized when it's off your finger. And the whole reason for that is because people won't be able to walk past you when you're wearing the ring and then trying to copy anything. So it needs to be off your finger before I can use it. Now we've got 2 options. We've got the create a wallet and we've got other options. So this is basically the first step you will see when opening up the wallet as well. So I'm just going to create a wallet. So if you click other options, you will have the ability to use the seed phrase. A seed phrase is a series of words that allow you to recover your wallet. Unlike the keys generated by the card or ring, seed phrases are unprotected and can be copied or stolen. Now generate seed phrase or import a wallet. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to create the wallet using the ring. Now to create the wallet, tap the ring as shown above and do not remove until the end of the operation. So let me grab the ring again and let me place it behind the phone, and we need to wait and we need to wait, and we've got a success. Now we don't have any backup devices right now. So to start the backup process, we need to add up to 2 backup cards. So those are these cards. Like I said, they come with the ring and you can use them as backup. So I'm going to use these to add them to this wallet. So I'm going to click add a card or ring, and then connect your phone to the card or ring you want to use as a backup, exactly shown as above. So I'm going to grab the card, I'm going to move it behind my phone, and it's already saying it's a success. Now I've got 1 backup device, I'm going to add a second. So add a card or ring, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. Success. Now we've got 2 backup devices added and we can finalize the backup. We need to create an access code. So let's click continue. Choose any word, phrase or number you want as your access code. You have to do that twice actually. And then it says prepare the ring and press the scan button below. So I got my ring again. Just going to keep it under it. That's more easy. Going to click scan ring. And to ensure security, please hold the ring until the operation is complete. So this basically gives like 15 steps, and every step it's vibrating, right? So we're at step 10, 9, and then it's counting backwards all the way from 15. So let me remove the ring again. And it's now basically loading all the settings. And now that we're waiting, let me take a quick moment to introduce to you my cryptocurrency course. Let's go. Welcome to Cryptowor Rec presents the Ultimate Crypto Course, a course designed to take you from crypto curious to crypto confident. Whether you're just beginning to dip your toes into the world of Bitcoin or looking to dive deep into decentralized finance, NFTs and the metaverse, you've come to the right place. Here, you'll get the knowledge you need to understand how cryptocurrency works, how to secure your assets, and most importantly, how to build a solid portfolio that positions you for long-term success in this rapidly evolving space. Get the course now while you still can by clicking the link in the description, and let's get cracking. And then you need to scan the cards. So it's asking me to scan the first card with a certain number. So that was a success, and now I need to do the second wallet. So now I'm just scanning the second card, same steps, vibrating every second again. So what I had to do was go to the settings again, add a new wallet, and then fill in my access code, right? And now the wallet is configured and ready to use. So I'm going to click continue my wallet, and now it shows you wallet. Now if you want to switch between wallets, you can just swipe up here and you will see your other wallet as well if you have multiple wallets. Now what's important to know, it scared me to death, right? I had to close down the app, and then there was still a window open for the backup somehow. So I had to close that one down as well. Then I had to reopen the app, and that's when I was able to see both of my wallets. So if you're scared and you only see the Ring one, and you're like, oh, where did my other wallet go? Try those steps and then you'll be fine. So I've been using this app for quite some time now. I've been using the Tangem cards for quite some time now. I'm very happy how they work. They're very convenient. So the question is, for who is this ring? Well, it's not for everybody. It's more like a gimmick, but I like it very much just because it's very convenient. It goes around your finger. You can take it anywhere. I had a hard time measuring up the right size for the ring. They've got 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I've chosen the 10 one. I'm not a big guy. I'm 175. I weigh around 150 pounds, I think. So it goes over my middle finger quite well, and for my ring finger it's a bit too big. I might as well take an A9. However, when I measured it, it was like 9.5, so I figured the 9 would have been too small. And right now it's much easier because it's winter. I've got cold hands, and then in the summer they swell up a bit, so I'd rather have some extra room, right? So I'm putting it always on my middle finger, and I just like the way it looks, but I also like that you can just use this to travel, right? So you can always carry a hardware wallet with you without it looking like a hardware wallet, if that makes sense, right? So you can just go somewhere, still handle your crypto business and leaving everything else at home. And in the description you will find discount codes as well, so if you want to purchase one, be sure to use that one because that saves you a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Doei!